to my channel. I hope y'all enjoy this video. This video is the DIY on how to make this awesome wreath, Halloween wreath for Halloween. Who is ready for Halloween? Halloween is like my favorite holiday, like of all time. I just love dressing up. I have the best Halloween outfits ever. This year I don't even know what I'm gonna be, but I'm gonna start thinking of it. It's coming up. It's coming up so soon. It's my birthday month, October. So let's get started and make this awesome wreath. Most of my stuff I got it from Dollar Tree. The only thing I didn't get from Dollar Tree was this wreath. I got it from Walmart for about $3, and I got this spray paint from Walmart for 99 cents. But everything else, I got it for $1. The only supplies you're gonna need are scissors, a hot glue gun, and some glue sticks. Right now what we're gonna do is we're going to be spray painting this black. So I'm gonna take you outside and we're gonna spray paint that black. We are going to make clusters of ribbons, so we are going to take the tulle and roll it up like a circle and cut it. This will be our measurement that we use for the rest of the clusters. We need to cut 3 pieces of the tulle to make 1 cluster. Now we take 1 pipe cleaner and cut it in half. I use the roll of my tulle as a ruler to cut it for my measurement. Then I cut the edges off of the ribbon just to make it look pretty. I did the same thing on the other side of the ribbon. Now we are going to make the clusters. We are going to get 1 piece of tulle and roll it up and pinch it in the middle. We're going to be holding it in 1 hand. We're going to do the same thing for the other 2 pieces. Now we get our ribbon, and with the pretty side facing up, we are going to fold it in half and pinch it in the middle. We're going to add it to our clusters. We then get our half pipe cleaner and tie down our cluster. I finished all the clusters with 2 rows of the tulle. I made a total of 14 clusters. Alright guys, so this dried already. So what we're gonna do is we are going to glue this down to the wreath. We're gonna put it in the center. We're gonna put it in the center of the wreath. It's gonna look like that. I ended up gluing both of the hands down. I held each hand down for about a minute. Next we're going to add the clusters onto the wreath. I did this by getting one end of the pipe cleaner and putting it under the branch and twisting the other side of the pipe cleaner. I continued to add each cluster onto the wreath. Then I got the dead roses and took them off their stem and glued the bottom of the rose and placed it on top of the clusters so it could hide the pipe cleaners. Next I got the big spider and I glued the bottom of the spider, placed it on top of the wreath. After, I got a little bit of spider web and added on the wreath. I got random spiders and glued them where I thought it would look nice. Hey guys, this is a finished product. I hope y'all like it. It came out pretty good. I honestly just freaking winged it because I honestly didn't know what I was gonna do. So I winged it and it came out pretty good. And I hope you enjoy it, and I hope it's easy for you, just as easy as it was for me, because it was super simple. It took me 20 minutes to make it. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Please like, this video, please subscribe to me. Subscribe if you want to see more DIYs. Please. And I'll see you next video. Peace out.